Alright, hello IGers. Today we're going to go over some Emanage training. This should answer any questions you have while working in this fantastic program. Alright, so when you open up Emanage, you're going to log in with your username and password. Now, if you're in the office, you can log in as inside here. And if you're out of the office, you'll have to log in as outside. Usually it works a little quicker logging in inside. Let Emanage do its thing. Alright. Now that we're logged in, we are going to create a new contact, company, and project. So you're going to go to the main tool menu. You're going to select new customer, company, contact. And then we're just going to fill out this information here. This is one of Nate Berkeley's projects. We're just going to kind of quickly fill this out so you can see what this looks like to fruition. Alright, so we have the 7th Special Forces group. Alright, location, this is at Eglin Air Force Base. I do not have the address currently, so I will just post NA. We do not have the zip code, though what we can do, if we don't have the zip, we can just look up the basic general zip of the Air Force Base, and we will insert that. Now, when you insert the zip code, it should auto-populate everything else for you. All right. And if Emanage is going to give us a hard time with not having an address, we can easily just use the basic address we find over in Google. And we'll just use that. Okay, so company type, client, salesperson, we're going to enter Nate Berkeley. And then we're going to add in our contact information. This person is also named Brian Lee. And whatever information we have, we're going to enter their number as well. Alright, we can add multiple numbers if need be. Alright, now contact type, this is our client. Contact status is active. And lead type here, don't necessarily need that. We definitely want to enter our work email. Alright, now we're going to save this and start a project. Emanage is doing its thing here. Alright, so project name, this is a rack box trolley. Project type. Okay, so now this would change based on what you're providing. If you're providing dirt, better way days, Mixonium, you're not using, or if you're using Hanel or other different products that we have to offer. So this is something that is new, so we don't have a name for it in Emanage. So for now, we're just going to call this a miscellaneous project. Status, we're still waiting for estimate. Probability, this one's at 100%. Project manager, for Team Smoke, we're going to use James Wiley. We're going to estimate the decision date if this is going to happen to the end of the month here. And then the deal value we're going to enter in is whatever you have estimated, or if you know the client's budget as well. In the scope of work, you can just enter some basic details about the project. So it'll be 30 of them total. And we are not including Connex containers. Alright, and then we're going to save this information. And now we have our contact listed here. We now have our project number. And we should be good to move forward in adding further information. So next we're going to go over how to submit an action. So we're going to click on the actions icon. We're going to submit action item request. Alright. Now we do not want to assign this to user, because if no one sees it, it could just be lost in the abyss that is Emanage. Alright, so with this project, we're just going to say acknowledgement. Project new. And these we already have the design notes. And this project does not have a relevant SOW because we're sourcing it through Banner. And then you would add additional information for this here if need be. So whatever additional notes you would need to add, you can add them there. You want to say new order, and then you would click here to submit the action. I apologize, that's not how you submit the action. Right here is how you submit the request once you have all the proper selections made. So it's just so when you have requests, you'll click submit request here once you have all your requirements, and then you'll close out this box, or this should close down when we submit a request, but we do not need a particular request on this one currently. Alright, so next we're going to go over how to attach a document to a project. So we're going to actions. We're going to go attach documents from disk. Alright, so for this project, we're going to upload the quote that we have once we load up. Scroll down because... Alright, so we're going to upload our Rackbox PDF here, so we're going to select it. We're going to select the type of document that it is. This is a client proposal. Then we're going to select upload and close. Now, if we want to make sure that this document is attached, We'll go over to History, Documents, and right here we have our rack box. Now, if you had other documents listed here, such as layouts, drawings, scopes of work, that's going to be how you access them. It's just going to go to this History, Documents section. We're going to go ahead and close out of this project, and we're going to look at a project that actually has a bill of materials.